Hi, welcome to Modern Building Technologies. We have grown to become one of the pioneers in providing building technology solutions in UAE market. MBT provides turnkey solutions for projects in interiors works, interior designing, furniture and lighting. Wardrobes are essential for storing clothes and adding more style to a room, plus making use of odd spaces or nooks. These can be designed with solid wood, HPL, melamine-faced laminates, and PVC. Wooden doors add design value to a place. Used in multiple rooms, they also provide a notable combined wooden look. These can be main entry doors, internal doors, and fire-rated doors. Kitchen cabinets keep things in a kitchen organized. Our cabinets have the best designs and come in a wide variety of options, such as solid wood, HPL, melamine-faced laminates, and PVC. Pergolas are elegant and sturdy structures, used as garden decor. They can last 20+ years. Their varieties include shade pergolas, outdoor kitchen pergolas, attached pergolas, and pool pergolas. MBT has consistently been in the forefront of the construction industry by offering our customers high-quality customized materials. We offer a wide range of products among wooden furniture and pergolas. Call us today and get a quote for your own personal or professional project. MBT. Building blocks of life.